In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field optional in DocuSign. If you're sending a document for signature and you want the signer to have the choice to fill in a field or leave it blank, DocuSign makes that pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up while preparing your envelope. To begin, log into DocuSign and click Start. This takes you to the main area where you can begin creating something new. From there, choose Envelope from the available options. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that holds your document, recipients, and signing settings. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document to someone else so they can review, complete, and sign it. Once you're in that workflow, upload the document you want to send for signing. This can be a form, agreement, or any file that needs the recipient's input. After the document is uploaded, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Make sure the information is correct, since this is where the signing request will be sent. Once that's done, click Next to continue to the document preparation screen. This is where you place fields and control how the recipient interacts with the document. Now, from the Fields panel, select the type of field you want to make optional. This could be a text field, a checkbox, or even a date field, depending on what your document needs. After choosing the field, drag it onto the correct location in the document. Try to place it neatly so it's clear to the signer what information belongs there. Once the field is in place, click on it to open its properties. Look for the required setting and turn it off. This is the key step. When required is disabled, the field becomes optional, which means the recipient can fill it out if needed, or leave it blank without being blocked from completing the document. After that, you're ready to send the envelope. Click Send, and the document will go out to the recipient. When they open it, they'll be able to complete the optional field or skip it and continue signing normally. This is especially useful for fields that may not apply to every signer, and it helps make your documents more flexible without interrupting the signing experience. Thanks for watching.